Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for a Stampin' Up unboxing. Oh my goodness, I may have gone a little crazy, so let me show you what I got. I wanted to make sure I got stuff from the annual catalog before I went crazy into the holiday catalog, but I just picked some of my favorites, so let me go ahead and show you. Oh, look at all this. All right, so I will save those two for last, and let's go ahead and get started. We've got this basket of blooms, and now I'm thinking about it, and I loved these little flowers, but I forgot the punch. I forgot to buy the punch. Oh my goodness. All right, but that's okay. I got this little baskets of bloom because I also love the flower pot and this string that goes right around the flower pot. This is a photopolymer stamp set, so I picked that one up. I also got this one, which is the Itty Bitty Christmas, and I just love it. I'm going to be doing a tags class, so if you want to learn more about that, make sure you are a subscriber to my newsletter, and I'll tell you more about it in the future. So this one, really cute. That's a cling set stamp. I absolutely love this one. It's called His Love, and I think this would be so good for my Bible journaling, and it's just so pretty, especially these hands. And I saw somebody make a great card with this cross. So nice. I got this one. It's called Lovely You, and I think I like it because of the change in the font. If you have received a card from me, you will see that half of the time I write in cursive, half the time I write in, I don't even know what it's called, but not cursive, just printed. And I guess it's called printing. So yeah, so there we go. I write like this. So when I saw it, I'm like, oh, that's me. I've got to get it. And it's just so pretty. So, and then it has some floral down here. We can do some wreath building and whatnot. I picked this one up because I love this globe. Now, I know I have that Christmas one already that has a Christmas globe, but this one, I like that it's not so ornate, and you can do great little birthday cards and stuff like with this one. If you could see that. And it works perfect with the globe dies as well. This one is called Fancy Phrases, and I chose this one. It's always like just one or two stamps, right, that you choose the whole set for, but I loved this. It looks like it's just, you know, drawn out with a pen. So I really thought this was cool. And I'm looking right here, and I wouldn't be surprised if someone signed their name right there, because doesn't that look like someone signed it? Like, I wonder who made this stamp set and if they kind of snuck their signature in. So, but it's really cool. And I like this. It says, when I count my blessings, I count you twice. And that is super sweet. All right, now I'm getting into some of the stamp sets that have the dies with them that I really wanted. So this one is called Nothing Better Than. It's got coffee, it's got cookies, it's got cocktails, it's got chocolate. How can not every single one of us stampers have this? I mean, half the reason we get together and stamp is for the coffee and the chocolate, right? Okay, so I just thought this is fun. It says because adulting is hard. You can just put all kinds of stuff together. A day without coffee, what's it gonna say? Is like, just kidding, I have no idea. Like, how funny is that? Just to build. So, okay, today is a cocktails and be awesome kind of day, right? And then it's got the dies. It's called the Love You More dies, and you can cut out this little guy here, some chocolates there. It's just really cool. So that came, and of course, if I can get 10% off, I do. So again, I'm going to be doing some tags classes. So why not get the tags, tags, tags? You can do Christmas, you can do Valentine's, you can do Halloween. And then it comes with the trio of tags, dies as well, so you can cut everything out all at one time. This is only 3 stamps, by the way. It's not 9. And then I just thought this one would be fun. I wanted to get the stitch triangle dies. That's what I really wanted to get. And then, of course, I can't skip a deal, right? 10% off. I had to get the stamp set that went with it because I could use some of these great little guys. I haven't decided what I can do with these yet, but I like it. So, and then the stitch triangle dies. I also had a few dollars left that I could use on my rewards, and I wanted to get something that I wanted to make sure I used as much as my rewards that I can, because you can't go over. But I got this, and it was just a few dollars, so it was perfect. Mango Melody, and you know I can use that for so much. I also got the fancy tag copper punch. So we've got that again for the dies. I mean, not for the dies, for the tags. So I grabbed that. And then, since I had all that, you get rewards. Once you spend over $150, you get rewards, right? And I think some of these were my rewards. But then I also was able to choose from host sets. So I was able to get both of them. So I got the Touched My Heart and the Summer Days hostess set. So I grabbed those. You guys, I got all of this stuff. So we are going to have so much fun for my little classes that I'm going to be having. And let me tell you, I am trying, I'm going to show you just a little piece here. I am trying to earn an incentive trip. You guys, this has to be done by the end of September. My goal was the end of July, but that's just not going to happen. So I would appreciate it so much if you guys helped me get to my goal and make a purchase from me. It doesn't have to be a large purchase, but I would love for you guys to attend my next online class as well. So make a purchase, any purchase, as long as it's $50 or more, and you will be able to go into my September online class. Beauties, thank you so much for being with me and just for supporting me. You guys mean so much to me. If you are not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like one of these, tell me what your favorite stamp set was from what I showed here. And I will see you next time. Thank you, and go ahead, hit that big thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, yes, I'll put all my information down below. So the host code, my, my online shop link, everything. And you can always check out beautyandthestamper.com. You know, I'm so sorry. I'm just rambling on, but I missed you guys. I feel like I haven't talked to you in forever. So, all right, this time I'm really going. All right, bye.